What's going on, YouTube? Basically here today. We are in San Diego. I'm with my homie
Jade.
That took you a few seconds. Remember who you were?
I know. I know. I was
She's been drinking.
That. One shot Fireball. That's what gets you.
One
right?
and done.
One and done.
We are at Ignite's photo studio. Ignite photo studio.
Ignite.
Make sure you edit it up. We are at Ignite. Damn it! What is photo studio? Photo studio. Ignite studio. Is that what you said?
Ignite Photo Studios.
Do the intro. Ready? Go.
Action.
What? Ignite Studios? Wait, what?
Hello, YouTube.
Oh, hello, YouTube. My
Welcome.
name is Jade. Oh, wait.
Welcome to
Wait,
the channel.
I didn't know. Wait, I didn't have a script.
Get it together. We've been practicing. This is like take number 10. We've been here since like 5 a.m. Come on, woman. Let's go. Ready? Go.
Oh, my country voice again? Once you start getting me going in that country accent, I'm gonna just start doing country accent.
All right, let's go. You ready?
Yeehaw!
Let's go. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
This is
I
our
like it.
second shoot together.
Yes,
We
yes.
shot the first time. How long ago?
It was like a couple months ago, 3 months ago, or 4 maybe.
She did horrible.
Ugh, horrible.
She did not do good.
Yeah, it was my first boudoir shoot, maybe the last, right?
Actually, we made a video on that. I posted that, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. So I guess it wasn't that horrible.
Click up here or up there. You can see the last time we shot. She's been working out really hard. She's been lifting really heavy stuff. So she looks phenomenal. You know,
Thank
I'm not
you.
supposed to compliment the models. She doesn't look horrible. And so today we're going to do another shoot. We're going to showcase all the amazing features of the studio. This studio is pretty badass. So for any of you in the San Diego area looking for a place to shoot, I definitely recommend to check this place out. What's our focus today?
It's kind of like everything. Like, kind of like a little bit of like sexy lifestyle. Some shiny pants. So, a
Hey,
little bit
buddy,
of
keep the
everything.
eyes up here, man. Don't be looking down there. Keep the eyes up here. We're gonna use a combo of the available light here because Jeff's done an amazing job of making sure that the place gives off a lot of natural light vibes. That hurts to say. I don't like natural light, but he's got this set up so good to make it look like natural light. I like that because then you have control. So I'm a control freak, y'all. So I like to tell the light what to do. I don't like the light to tell me what to do. You know what I mean? So that's why I don't like natural light. So this really isn't natural light. This is artificial to simulate natural light using, what's the word? I'm talking to Jeff.
Yeah, but like also I just want to say like we tell the light what to do here because it's voice activated.
Yeah, I gotta check this out.
We're big into technology and we're big into everything being super cool. So of course the lights have to be super cool. And when I built this place, I didn't want to build just like a tiny fake window. I wanted to build a ridiculously large window that is the sexiest light ever, that is voice activated. So you say, Alexa, turn on the sexiest light ever. Boom, that's how that one turns on. And then I also have this light over here. Alexa, turn on sexy light number 2. Boom. And then right here behind you, we have the light bars. Alexa, turn on the light bars. Boom. So that's how we roll. My Instagram is at San Diego Photo Studio. And my personal photography Instagram is at jeffb.photos. B is in boy.
Go. Say something.
What's up, YouTube?
You're a pro. That's it.
I know.
Perfect.
Boom.
All right, y'all, quick tip. So a lot of models that you shoot, sometimes they're gonna be a little bit hesitant to book a makeup artist. Highly recommend to make it almost mandatory because if you saw her do her own makeup, she would look like a tramp.
Oh my gosh, I'm the worst. I'm the worst at makeup.
The one that I use quite a bit when I'm in San Diego is the best in San Diego. You like that? Happy birthday.
2 months late.
One thing that you'll get a lot of times is when a person gets makeup done for the very first time, sometimes they get freaked out because it's super bold, super strong. It's a lot more than what they normally wear every single day. Is this how much makeup you wear every day?
Oh no, absolutely not.
So one thing that you need to be aware of is whenever there's someone that says, you know, they look kind of uncomfortable wearing a lot of makeup, you tell them, whenever you put light on something, it makes everything look brighter. So if the makeup looks super bold and a lot darker than what they're used to, that's what we need when we're using strobes. And so it's really up to us to set the pace, set the tone, to make them relax a little bit, especially for the first time shooters. But I'm obsessed with these light bars. Obsessed. So even though you have these light bars, the pros and cons. One, it's really easy to just shoot. Why? Because the light's already there. But I would definitely recommend that you slow down a little bit because you want to control the core. So if you watch, and we'll show you the behind the scenes of this next part, you know, if she's moving free and there's not that constant, you know, core tight, twist, core, then she's going to start getting a little bit soft and flabby. Watch. Go relax. And then tight. Big difference. So when you're doing natural light or something like this, you want to make sure that you control the core. Don't get crazy. Don't shoot a million frames, because the more you shoot, the more you have to cull through. And the reality is, of this set, how many shots are you able to use for your own social media?
1 to 4.
1 to 4. 3 is normally the range I look for. I try to go like 1 or 2 edits per look. In this case, because this set is ridiculous. 3 is on the upper end. 4, I could see it. 5, then you're getting a little bit out of hand. And so, you know, there comes a point when it's useless to shoot a million frames, because at that point, the shots are just gonna get tossed away, honestly. So, you have anything else to say?
Yeehaw!
Let me know how you think. If she sounds real country, give me a thumbs up. You think that she sounds kind of ratchet, leave a thumbs down on her page. Ready? Let's get back to shooting. I like it, no drums. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell down below so you get updates every time I post new content, which is about once or twice every single week. Please be sure to follow her on Instagram, and stay tuned. And let's
Kick some ass. Have some fun.
we don't cuss on this channel, girl. This is for family safe. Let's go kick some ass. Ready? All right.
Yeah.